That sound is the sound of regret. Of settling for a flimsy, leaky, pain-in-the-neck truck bed cover. Pores, for 2026, the big brands promised us a revolution. Less rattles. Zero leaks. Effortless operation. Sound of a slick, hydraulic hiss and a solid thud of something closing perfectly. So, I did what you shouldn't. I bought the 3 most hyped upcoming trifold covers on the planet. I installed them. I tortured them. For 30 days. And what I discovered wasn't just a best cover. I found a cover that has a feature so simple, so obvious, you'll wonder why it took until 2026 for someone to get it right. And one of these premium covers. It's an embarrassing fail. Let's get dirty. Number 1. Hard Trifold Truck Bed. The hard fold design of this tonneau cover is meticulously crafted using professional FRP, fiberglass reinforced plastic, and robust aluminum panels. These materials are not only lightweight but also exceptionally durable, ensuring longevity and reliability. The internal honeycomb structure support enhances its strength, making it capable of holding impressive loads of up to 400 pounds. This added strength not only secures your cargo effectively but also acts as a deterrent against potential theft and damage, ensuring that your valuable items remain safe during transportation. In terms of weather protection, the truck bed cover is designed to withstand severe weather conditions. It features tear-resistant materials alongside water resistance capabilities that protect your cargo from heavy rain, snow, dust, and other harsh environmental elements. This level of protection ensures that the truck bed remains dry, providing peace of mind that your belongings will stay safeguarded regardless of the weather. Number 2. oEdRo Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover compatible with 2009 to 2025 Dodge Ram. This tonneau cover is designed specifically for the 2009 to 2025 Dodge Ram 1500, excluding models equipped with the Ram Box feature. It accommodates both the classic and new body style versions from 2019 to 2025 and is suitable for fleet-side truck beds measuring 5.6 feet to 5.7 feet in length. Secure your truck bed. The oEdRo Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover offers an excellent blend of security, convenience, and aesthetic appeal for your vehicle. Its design ensures that once the tailgate is locked, the truck bed transforms into a fully secure trunk, safeguarding your belongings against snow and dust intrusion. Heavy-duty material, crafted from a double layer of high-quality PVC, the oEdRo tonneau cover has undergone rigorous testing to ensure it provides UV protection and possesses strong tensile properties. Additionally, it comes with pre-assembled, powder-coated rails and aluminum clamps, which facilitate a straightforward installation process while ensuring solid support and stability. Number 3. oEdRo Soft Trifold Truck Bed. This oEdRo Trifold Truck Bed cover is specifically designed for compatibility with Toyota Tacoma models from 2016 through 2023, provided that the truck has a 5-foot bed. It is important to note that this cover is not suitable for the Trail Edition and must be used with the track rail system, typical of fleet-side beds. One of the significant advantages of this trifold cover is its easy installation process. Users can install the cover without the need for any drilling, which can often complicate the installation of truck accessories. The installation simply requires securing for clamps to hold the cover in place. Additionally, the rear latches are designed to only be released when the tailgate is open, enhancing security. When the tailgate is locked, the top cover is effectively locked as well. It's worth mentioning that if your Tacoma is equipped with an over-the-bed rail bedliner, a small modification will be necessary to properly secure the clamps. Number 4. Tutel Hard Shell Folding. The Tutel Hard Shell is designed with a robust aluminum frame and hinges, featuring a sleek powder-coated matte black finish that not only adds to its aesthetic appeal but also ensures durability. The panels of the cover are constructed from EnduraShield, an advanced automotive-grade polymer that boasts impressive resistance against dents, fading, and scratches, making it an ideal choice for those who need a cover that can withstand the rigors of weather and use. Additionally, the panels are engineered to remain cool to the touch even in hot climates, providing convenience and comfort during usage. In terms of security, the soft fold feature ensures that the cover is fully locked when your tailgate is closed, providing peace of mind when leaving your truck unattended. If you require complete access to your truck bed, the TruXedo hard shell cover can be easily removed in seconds. This is accomplished by simply loosening the front jaw grip clamps, without the need for any tools or drilling, making it incredibly user-friendly. Number 5. Most Plus Quad Fold Soft Truck. Easy installation, all required harness are included. No drilling and further modification. Installation manual included. 1 pieces of stick touch lamp included. High quality with 3 mounting point. Quad fold flat air topper truck bed is made by double-sided tear-resistant vinyl with 3 heavy-duty aluminum powder-coated frames. It has 4 horizontal crossbars to avoid airlifting issue. Waterproof and UV resistant, this integrated tonneau cover can be washed with soap and water, keeps your equipment inside your bed dry. So, there you have it. In the brutal world of truck accessories, their brand, model name, isn't just the winner, it's the new benchmark. If you're looking for absolute security, a perfect seal, and one-handed operation that actually works in 2026, that's your cover. Full details on how to secure the early bird pre-order, plus links to every single product I showed, from the winning cover to the competing models and the sealant I recommend, are all waiting for you in the video description below. Pace quickens. If this head-to-head showdown saved you from a $1,000 mistake, do me a solid, pound that like button, it tells the algorithm this is real, useful info. Share this with your truck crew. And subscribe, because next week we're mounting 3 new 2026 off-road bumpers and hitting the trail to see which one survives. Thanks for watching.